Good morning, kiddos. So we are going to continue on with our book study today of Flat Stanley. So what I need for you to do is I need you to go and grab this paper and this paper, and it says Tuesday up at the top. So if you could please go grab this paper and this paper, and if you need to grab them, go ahead and pause the video. If not, we're going to go ahead and keep on trucking, okay? So of course we know our name. The first thing we do is always the same. We pick up our pencil and write our name. And remember, first and last, please. And then we're going to go ahead and write the title of our book. Well, what is the title of the book that we're reading this week? It is Flat Stanley. So I'm going to write Flat Stanley. Okay, so there is my title, and now boys and girls, we're going to use our retelling hand, and we are going to tell the characters, the setting, the beginning, the middle, and the end. Okay, so let's start with the beginning, boys and girls. What happened at the beginning of the book? So let's go and let's look what happened. So we can see that the brother ran in and told mom and dad that something had happened, right? Do we remember what had happened? Why would he run in and tell mom and dad something? What happened? Let's look. Oh no, what happened? The bulletin board fell, and what happened to Stanley? It squished him, right? It made him flat. So what happened at the beginning of the story? The bulletin board landed on Stanley and made him flat. Very good. So let's jump over to our paper and let's write that. So I'm going to remember sound everything out. I'm going to stretch it and write the sounds that I hear. Now, boys and girls, are you going to ask mom and dad how to spell something? No, we're going to use our own brains, right? Because y'all are super smart and almost first graders. So we're going to stretch those words out, okay? So what happened in the beginning was that the bulletin board, bulletin. So how would I stretch that? Bulletin. We know in is a sight word. Bulletin. Ord. Ooh, ord. What secret story says or, boys and girls? O-R. Very good. A bulletin board falls. Falls on Stanley, and we know how to spell Stanley, right? Because it's right here. A bulletin board falls on Stanley and makes what does that say, boys and girls? That says ack, right? How do I make it say a? Very good. Got to add that super E. So a bulletin board falls on Stanley and makes, I got to add that S, makes him flat. Full. Oh, do you hear that blend? Full. And then at. At is a sight word. At. So a bulletin board falls on Stanley and makes him flat. Period. Very good. So I have my beginning, boys and girls. Now I want you to write your middle and your end all by yourself, okay? And then I want you to have mom and dad take a picture and send this to your teacher so that we can see it, okay? And then when you're finished retelling your story, I want you to grab your Tuesday journal and I want you to write one thing that you did with your flat teacher today, okay? And tell us why you did it, why you chose to do that with your teacher, okay? And then, of course, you can always take a picture and send it to your teacher because we'd love to see it. All right, kiddos, good luck. You can do it, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.